turn around and watch.
Yeah. We're probably out there talking to them.
Oh, there he is. Okay, so we'll go on. We are Coco.
How long does it take?
New tool. How many? Oh!
That was classic.
Would you like to go to the bathroom now?
I think he did. Yeah, I think he did. Who broke into my house?
I tell you, the door was locked. You still had a key. No.
We had a key. We made copies while we were riding. Just found it. Oh, happy birthday, by the way.
Thanks.
Thank God he wasn't thinking
I told him that number. I said, next year, big party.
Next year.
That's right.
Okay, so I don't have to make a fire now. No.
We've been trying to put it out since we got here. It's so hot in here.
There, I'm thinking, okay, I gotta get him downstairs somehow. So I'm saying, oh, it's cold. Oh, where are you? What did you guys do? Did you see them?
Because we're going, yeah, walking over.
Where are y'all parked?
Over the church.
Municipal building.
Don't worry, it's all arranged.
So Donna does know when your birthday is.
Where were you calling from last night then?
Our house,
Our house.
just before we left to come here.
Yeah.
We thought we'd freak out Debbie and phone.
We're going to Grand Valley.
Well, we took a left instead of a right.
Salut?
I did that too with my
Bonne fête. Les deux, ils ont vieilli, hein,
We're not screaming.
That was hilarious. That was hilarious.
Happy birthday. Debbie Andre calling out. Yeah, I'm looking to see if there's any like chatting up here. He's laughing away. I'm there like, Oh, yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah. Lots of hey. Come on in, Eddie. So everybody calling me on the 28th was what, a ruse, or did you really forget it was the wrong day?
It was a ruse.
It was a ruse? Same with you last night?
Well, Debbie told me that she goes, she phoned, she goes, oh yeah, phone the phone. Hey, Coke. Hey, Coke.
Well, she even had like she told the wrong day, and I'm like, oh, everybody's calling me on the 28th. It's my birthday tomorrow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andre. Happy birthday to you. Bonne fête à toi.
Only Bonnie, you
Bonne fête, bonne
I'm not doing that next year. One extra candle, that's it.
I was thinking about that.
Gotta put 30 on it for you, then maybe.
I baked it.
Not.
I
much. I guess it's better, it's more moist and...
Moist. That's the word.
You have to remember it's not.
Rachel, get over. Get me. Oh, it's my jacket, I can take it. No.
It's only him. She's not in it. Honestly, you're not in it. It's just him. I kid you not.
Nothing has a good flavor.
Okay, well, I'll just keep cutting it in half until it gets small. I'll just go around them. Okay, there's only 6 feet.
That's pretty good.
All right, Andre.
Pretty good there, Andre.
Yeah, how many people you have?
Might as well do that. You should be brandishing that knife like that.
Split it if there's not enough, okay? That's all I'm doing.
Now we need a speech. Andre, we need a speech.
Go diagonally.
Hi. All right. Thank you, everybody, for coming. I wasn't expecting this at all,
Gee, really?
Yeah.
It was that.
but I appreciate everything, all the cards and all the birthday wishes and all of the ruses for telling me my birthday was yesterday. Had me
Maybe
guessing.
we actually
Had me
believe
guessing to see. I was gonna call my mom to see if my birthday really wasn't on the 28th. It was pretty convincing. Anyways, thank you very much, everybody. Enjoy the cake.
Yay.
Hey, you still gotta eat it.
What's that?
You still gotta eat it.
Well, you get the lucky first piece.
Yeah, yeah.
There's
I'll
honey in the cake.
have a barley cake.
What's that deer in the headlight look?
What do you want to say to Andre for his 30th?
I hope we're celebrating your birthday in another 30 years when we're 60, drinking beers.
Excellent. Good for you. And here's Mark. Mark.
Happy birthday, Andre.
Don't take your clothes off today.
Carl.
Happy birthday, Andre. See you in 30.
No, okay, well, go.
Happy birthday, Andre, and hopefully many, many more.
Excellent. Thank you, Steve. Hang on, I gotta.
Hello, happy birthday, Andre.
That's it?
That.
There's gonna be more. I'm gonna just stay on you until you say more. You are evil, I'm gonna swat you in the head.
Have many more.
Good, thank
Be
you.
prosperous.
Live long and prosper.
You want my Colgate smile?
No. God. What would you like to say to our birthday boy?
Hey? Oh, happy birthday, Andre.
Oh, that's lovely.
And many,
Thank you.
many more.
Oh, Dad, I need a Kleenex. Mom?
Hope you got that one.
Hi, Andre. Happy 30th birthday.
Thank you.
Tomorrow, you ready? Come out tomorrow and look at it.
All right. Thank you, Mommy.
You want to do it together? Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay.
Happy birthday, Andre.
Toast to you.
Drink, drink, drink. Have a look.
And thank God you weren't naked coming downstairs, because boy, would you cry. Be very proud. Keep that clothes on.
Yes. Happy birthday.
There we go. Thank you very much. Rachel.
Happy birthday, Andre.
And what else?
And it's my turn next year.
All right, another party.
I'll talk to Carl about that. Well, I can't say anything. He's right beside me.
Yes, you can. He's not listening.
Point out that you were younger than he.
I'll go get a beer. How's that?
Okay, go get a beer. We're not listening.
Happy birthday, Andre. Many more. Behave in the States when you go Monday. And Debbie threw a nice party for you, and I hope she does it again.
Excellent. Thank you, Nicole. You are the best. And here's Dad.
Take the money and run, Debbie.
A thumbs up to that one, Dad.
Ça fait beau de vivre. Ça fait fait ça,
Oh, merci, Mom. Oh.
Yeah,
You made a very good son.
wasn't that a party?
Merci très bon beaucoup pour ton fils. Fils?
Yeah, I had two sons, but I had to make them.
I know. And you did a good job.
Okay, this is for my wonderful husband, that I want to wish him a very happy 30th birthday, and I plan to be there for the next 30, which will be 60, and then another 30 after that. So I love you very much.
Okay.
Love you, bro.
All these people,
They're a great bunch of friends, and I'm glad to be around them.
very, Andre. Happy birthday. And oh,
Goddamn people in my basement.
that's sweet Andre. And oh, look at the Elvis clock.
What?
How's that for a party, Andre?
It was quite a party. It's the next day, 10 o'clock. Well, 10 something. And a little coffee. I wake up. Get the beers out of my system. Everybody's gone except for your sister-in-law.
Good time.
Oh, excellent time. I had a blast.
Good. Good to hear.
Thank you very much.
Anytime, baby. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Turn the light back on. Ah. Preparations for the party, crimping on progress.
We're pretty much done. Just got one last crimp to do.
I can't recall the last time I've had so much fun.
Hey, she's only 31, so that's why I let her do me.
Done.
Right on.
Like, oh my god. Yeah.
Totally.
Okay.
I will keep it handy though in case more people want to crimp tonight.
You know,
Okay.
Debbie has a crimp-o-rama happening in the bathroom for her party guests
She's
this
got her
evening.
little cutout perm.
Yes, let's do a zoom of her perm. Spin, spin.
So you know it's cutout perm though.
Oh, it's a cutout perm. Oh,
What color perm is though?
Well,
so
when
we
you
have a
have a
perm.
perm and you cut it all out, it kind of has that sort of.
Ah, okay. Oh, neat.
Who knew?
I feel like I got dreads, you know, and I should
You do have that
put little
Jamaican
beads
feel.
on the end of them there, you know.
Smoking the ganja tree.
Okay. Straight down to, oh, we're out of focus there, down to the feet, and straight back up. Yes, I am. Now we're coming in. Go ahead.
Like, oh my god, Toby, for sure.
Louder.
Like, oh my god, Toby, for sure. Like, if he's 30th birthday, retro, you can say, or who knows. Well, I guess I should say happy birthday. You're old. And welcome to the 30 Club. And I'm really proud of you and glad to see you turn into such a wonderful, wonderful person. It's been really fun watching you grow up. And here's to the first 30 years and the next 60 more. Looking forward to your next retro birthday party when we're both in our 60s. Okay? See ya. Happy birthday.
Only for you would I dress like Robin Hood that's a crossing guard. Let you crimp my hair. Why? 30th birthday. I don't know what else to say. Donna's got you living only until 90. I figure at least 100.
And at least
I will
3
die
husbands,
first
no?
because only the good die young, baby, and we all know you ain't that good. you look good, that's all. Anyway, happy birthday, many more.
And many more.
Happy birthday, Debbie. Great idea for the party, and many more just like Mark said.
Very good. Classic. Dad?
Yo, Debbie. I gave you something big, Audrey.
Vincent, il n'y a rien dit, Vincent? 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 Pas rien dit? Non? Bonne fête, Debbie? Ooh, red light blinking, eh? Help.
Happy birthday, Deb, and many more.
Careful for the beer. Rich?
Happy birthday, Debbie. Don't do the wild thing, Debbie.
Full moon is on.
Full moon is on.
Full moon is on.
How are you? Having a good time?
Very.
Very? Do you have a birthday wish for the birthday girl?
No. Good luck with the you-know-what.
And the big 3-0?
Oh, yeah.
Soon coming to a theater near yourself?
Yep. A few more months.
Hi.
Happy birthday
Yes.
for me and the baby.
From you and the baby. What's the baby's name gonna be?
Don't know.
It's a girl.
It is?
It's a girl.
Have we decided already?
It's a girl.
Well, that would make the perfect family then.
Intuition.
And for the perfect family, we'll go to the dad.
Debbie, age is only a state of mind. If you don't feel old, you're not old.
Oh.
Very
30's
good.
not old.
30's not old.
Wait till you're as old as him.
I ain't saying nothing, man.
What she said, yeah.
Hi, Deb. Happy birthday, and many more.
Very good. Yes, you're not supposed to listen to this then. Hello.
Hi, Andre.
Do you have a birthday wish for the girl?
Happy birthday, Debbie. I hope there's many more.
Very good. Hi, Mrs. Ruth. Yes?
Happy birthday, Debbie.
Yes. Mr. Ruth.
Not a baby no more.
He's not a baby no more. That's right, the 30th. We're paying at this stuff here. All of the pictures. Incriminating pictures of Debbie. And Bert, where are you? Oh, hello.
The most bodacious friend called, but most actually have a happy 30th birthday, all the best.
Excellent. Cat.
Totally. Like when you where's the beef?
Where's
Party. Thanks for inviting us to your 30th. Hope we can be here for your 31st.
Oh, you're sweet. You got the total ladies love.
Oh my God.
Yep, here we come. Here we come.
Hello.
Focus there on the blue shadow.
Yeah.
And the pink lipstick.
And true for the banana.
Because tomorrow my eyes are going to be swollen to hear from this.
Tomorrow the eyes will be pink.
Yeah. The eyes will be pink and the lips will be blue.
So birthday message for Deb?
Yes, a birthday message for Deb?
Birthday message. Happy birthday, Debbie. 30, you're just a baby.
She's just a baby. She doesn't feel like it though. It's just a big deal for her.
Well, we're both older and she'll live.
Oh, yeah. The best is yet to come.
Hi, Debbie. Happy 30th. It's not so bad, really. I'm a couple years ahead of you. You'll live.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Hi, Debbie. Happy birthday. I'm really glad that your parents decided to have you 30 years ago.
Aww.
I'm blessed for that.
30 years of my blessing.
I love you very much, and happy birthday again. That's it. We'll edit this part.
Happy birthday, Debbie.
Really, truly happy birthday.
Where'd I go?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Debbie. Happy birthday to you.
The candle.
Don't blow the icing off.
You get to cut off the candle.
Well, she did a pretty good for 30-year-old.
Speed.
Okay. I was so
You've unplugged the smoke detector.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I'm old, but not that old.
You're only 8 years old, Debbie.
You're still young. Years? You like the bracelet?
Do you need a weapon?
I think she needs a knife.
Andre, she'll need a weapon to cut it with.
I guess I need something to cut.
That would be a good idea.
You can practice your kung fu.
Could be interesting.
Flash here, flash there.
I don't know what? A lot of people.
Rolling around in the fiery coal. Show you the new innovation.
You tried it. I tried it.
Oh yeah, very, very serious.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, you gotta see the video of Mike Price's birthday. Walk down and near. And then cut it. Walk in the door, walking upstairs, click on the link. Everybody's downstairs. Oh, awesome. You gonna have? Did you calculate how many pieces you need?
Just in case something big ever comes.
We're trying to get the outfit. Just trying to get the outfit in. I used to wear ripped jeans, but it's only because they were war.
My wife wanted dating it was. Go to the next level with a guy girl. And this guy literally jumped in. I blew by him. I couldn't even shut her down. I looked at him out there. He's wasted the gold.
That's yours?
I shut her down.
You're gonna eat that whole thing. Look at her.
Holy. She's gonna be the birthday girl. She'll be wired tonight.
She must have been saving up for
She'll be
that
on a
one.
sugar rush there to get that.
Sugar rush. Andre's gonna get hell of a night. Uh-oh.
No, that's a good thing.
Andre, have another piece. Have another piece. You're gonna stay up with her. You better.
She'll be bouncing off the walls.
Good news for me, I don't care.
What are the best things that I can finish with?
No.
Oh, no way.
Never.
No, you're probably right.
I'm gonna try.
You should be keeping him in the toilet.
I'm hungry.
But it rained very first day we got there, and otherwise it was quite There's Rachel and Carl. Near Brooksville. She's sort of about an hour north of town.
So you're on the Gulf
This is a little more central.
You can just open the door and throw it right in. There's a fire on the go anyway.
Well, you know.
Wow. That's not, what is it?
The candles are anyway.
Oh yeah, candle. Oh, and you don't. She doesn't like candles at all.
No, she doesn't. Yeah. I'm always forcing her to buy them at work. Happy Debbie. Oh, sorry.
For me, I don't think so.
Yes, this was one.
Well, I don't think so.
Is there a card?
Yeah, the card.
Maybe someone doesn't want to accept ownership for it yet.
I'd be very careful opening that gift.
Anne goes to the same store you do.
Oh?
I saved a lot of money to get you the hottest nail stripper in town. Damn recession. This is funny. Pass that one around. Happy birthday anyways. Happy 30th birthday. The fun is just beginning. Best wishes, Anne. Thank you, Anne. You can take a look at that. Anne.
Take the wrapping off very slowly.
There shouldn't be children here.
Yes.
Uh-oh. I don't think you'd want to open that then.
They're tied in bows, so they'll undo.
Your 30th birthday.
For those lonely.
Oh, I think I know what that is too.
I know exactly. I can
Good touch. Good touch.
It's your fault.
Twice.
I don't think you want to pass that around, babe. Well, it's immortalized on tape now.
She looks angelic.
Oh, so.
It's all the look.
Yeah, it's all the look, eh?
Oh, pretty. This would be from, is there a card?
Possibly.
You go.
C'est doué chaleureux pour votre anniversaire. Reflète l'amitié la plus sincère. Bonne fête.
Good, Debbie.
Very good, Deb.
May you have a wonderful birthday and reflect a lot of life.
Yeah, something like that. It's a birthday wish and.
And this one is.
Oh crap! Running out of battery.
Oh, I never saw that one. Which one is that? What's it called?
This one is Meadow.
Meadow.
You got a man in the jar, right?
Yeah, man in a jar. This is nice.
What? I don't want to know.
That's so funny.
Yeah, if you look between the legs.
Debbie had everything to do with it.
Uh-oh.
He forced me to buy it.
Does it Earth Campbell? Forced you to buy it. Yeah.
30 isn't old. Thank you. Oh yeah, and there's no fat in French fries either. Okay.
Yeah.
More party lights, yeah.
I just need to check my use in the bathroom.
Oh, well, perfect. I didn't know that.
Boy, I tell you, you'd never know we'd have a power outage here because there'd be so many candles lit.
How did they get their body on the bag, Andre?
Don't burn the house down.
I don't know. They must have taken my picture when I came out of the shower or something.
You better get
Another candle.
Fire extinguisher would be a good idea.
You know what?
A lot of dirty women here today.
Oh, I tell you.
Steve picked that out. Yeah, that was Steve's idea. That's good. Thanks, Steve.
I'm starting to like your workplace more and more.
Now you know what they talk about all day.
Oh, I better watch myself.
Children's days.
And that wasn't party light either, I don't think.
No.
And a little candle holder.
Oh, okay. It wasn't party light though.
Oh, God. One of those romantic evenings.
Set a mood with soft light and erotic shapes.
The kind of thing you want to keep in one shape.
Don't look the same, Bert.
Please, I have to hold on to a camera here. Oh.
I like
Okay, you have the day off.
Sheila, friend with the heart of an angel, a soul that reaches far, a warm and giving spirit, and the brilliance of a star. Wishing you a birthday full of happiness and a year full of wonder.
Oh. Oh, that was so sweet. I couldn't find a funny one.
What does that mean? She must show them your side turn. I don't know.
Well, more people know. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I remember it too. Funny how you can remember that phone number so well.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. What is it?
Which one did you choose?
Nobody asked for
Oh, I don't know. Look at the bottom.
I think it was pretty apparent.
Faye and Arlene.
Even if anybody would catch us, you would have been embarrassed.
Yeah. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you, girl. Oh, that's very sweet.
You wanted more?
We deserve a speech from the birthday girl.
Okay, another one. All right.
You already did one.
Yeah.
Well, I missed it, so just repeat it.
Oh, okay. Well, just thanks everybody. Everybody in the room here means a lot. Thanks for coming out, and it's very sweet. I didn't expect any of all of this, so thank you very much.
You sweet. There you go.
Yeah, I had to make you all dress up. Thank you for that. I think best dressed award goes to Mark.
Yeah.
From head to toe.
We gotta get the whole outfit in.
Did you catch the shirt?
Well, I'm doing it from here. recording. So, this is the upstairs of the granary.
Debbie and Joe and Donna cleaned.
That's right. And there's the hole.
No, that's the granary. That's the hole over there.
Let's see if I go up a step if you can see the hole better. That Joe nearly killed herself in. Back there.
We can sell you Souvenir Joe wood.
Souvenir Joe wood at a cheap price. Anyway. Actually, there's a lot of light.
Go slow. Jesus Christ, you'll make everybody sick.
Oh, everybody's used to having that old C6 sort of feeling when I camera.
Yeah, well.
Here we go. Trying not to walk into the deck. Or lose my extension cord.
Your extension cord person is doing like that. Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Hang on. Hang on, Phil. Yeah.
This room, you've got to be impressed with. Absolutely nothing left behind, really, in the grand scheme of things. And
What?
Joe's going to do something that I hadn't done in my entire 36 years. Open the door.
Of course, we might have to actually be able to do it, too. Oh, right now.
There was a bolt. Ooh. That and a barrel was in front of the door.
And some other stuff, too.
And lots of other stuff too, but we won't go there. So, next building?
Yep.
Slight power interruption, we were concerned for a minute. And the wood shed looking not so bad. Quite empty. Lawn tractor's staying. So was most of Dad's welding stuff.
We had to put stay stickers on stuff so we didn't move it.
By mistake. Let's go take a look upstairs. Old harness things that Mom wanted to leave behind. And we kind of cleaned up a little bit up here. I was hoping Tappy the woodpecker would tap at us so that you could all hear what we've had to endure, this crazy woodpecker that has been annoying us and we've been annoying him, so that's right. Yes, we've left the spike of death up there to fall on the new owners, so well, hopefully not, but anyway. The attic in the house, and it's a bit dark. We've already moved the trouble lights, so we're filming this pretty much still in the dark. And as you can see, it's pretty empty. And then there's this half, so I try not to trip over anything. Also pretty empty. It's warm up here.
Not quite Florida warm.
No, not quite Florida warm, but it's still warm for the last of May. Alright, let's go downstairs and take a look at the rest of the empty house. I'm trying not to kill myself coming
Trying
down.
not to make the viewers seasick. Too late.
Too late. Sorry, people. Here we go into the living room. The TV set was sold at the house. Mom's removed that window. Slower. The desk is staying. It's actually a pretty big room. And the thing that we all had to get, like I was about to say, that takes getting used to is the echo in the house, which was very weird at first, but I guess we're all kind of used to it now. Oh yeah, there's those books I still have to get out of here. And upstairs, which perhaps you can actually hear the echo a little better up here, because it's really, I guess with the hardwood floors, a lot more echo. Here we are in the gold bedroom. A stunning wallpaper job that is. Or is that paint, I guess? So, next room. Are in a little blue flower bedroom. Also completely empty. Old desk, heavy desk is staying because really it's too heavy to move. And they can have it, so moving on. That's to this crawl space where Joe was attacked by a wasp with bees when we were attempting to put in new wiring in this room. So we decided not to do the wiring and instead just live with what was here. So this is the green bedroom, mainly because it's green. I dropped the power pack again, which I want to do very often. Anyway, let's go back to the downstairs. Here's my lovely gaffer. Wave to Joe. Wave to everybody.
Hi, hi.
She's keeper of the extension cord.
Yeah, and last step.
Oh. Alright. Bathroom. Last look at the gorgeous tub. Alright. Moving on. Completely empty laundry room. Pretty much.
Of course it's completely empty. It's going to be anything else.
True. Alright. And back in the parents' bedroom. Alright, we're done. I can hear Joe snickering because I lost that last step. Quiet back there. Time for us to go.